Mayibuye Movement is in tatters. It is going through a serious crisis. You know that recently, the leadership of AFRIKA Mayibuye Movement released a media statement informing the public that they've removed their Deputy President Nolubabalo Mcinga. She has wasted no time by responding through her own media release. Let us read it through the statement. What did she say? How did she respond to the allegations made up against her? I've done a video where I was analyzing the statement by AFRIKA Mayibuye Movement. You can check that video. It's available on this platform. So let us go through her statement. Nolubabalo Mcinga responds to AFRIKA Mayibuye Movement media statement, termination of Deputy President's designation.